Your ego is destroying you. Most men never realize this. They believe their biggest enemy is failure, or other people, or bad luck. But the Stoics understood something deeper. A man's greatest enemy is usually the one he protects the most, his ego. Ego is not confidence, it is insecurity wearing armor. A man with a strong mind does not need constant validation. He does not need to prove he is right. He does not need to win every argument. But a man ruled by ego cannot tolerate correction. He cannot tolerate criticism. And he cannot tolerate the idea that he might be wrong. So he stops learning, he stops growing, and slowly, he stops becoming better. The Stoics warned about this long before the modern world existed. Epictetus taught that the moment a man believes he already knows enough, his progress dies. Marcus Aurelius constantly reminded himself of his own limitations, not because he lacked confidence, but because humility protects wisdom. A disciplined mind stays open. An arrogant mind becomes trapped. Ego destroys men in quiet ways. It makes them refuse advice. It makes them blame others. It makes them protect their pride instead of fixing their flaws. And over time, ego becomes a prison, because the man who cannot admit weakness can never build strength. Stoic discipline demands something difficult: brutal honesty with yourself, the ability to ask, where am I wrong? What must I improve? What truth am I avoiding? This is uncomfortable, but discomfort is where growth lives. Weak men defend their ego. Strong men destroy it, because the moment you stop protecting your pride, you finally start building your life